Creators are using tools like Meta's AI ad generator to write high-converting.
People are building full content funnels in hours, not weeks, combining short-form videos,
The videos you just saw were not made by actual people, and it took less than 5 minutes to produce. You can make 5 figures monthly just by using certain AI tools. The videos were made using Dupdub AI specifically, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how I was able to make these videos with their suite of AI tools from beginning to publishing. So let's talk about creating content with AI in 2025. Almost everything a real human creator can do, there's a specialized AI tool that can do just as well or even better. Even though it may seem like AI tools are going to outperform humans, they still need human creators to produce good content. In other words, AI is a tool to multiply the efficiency of a single creator. Essentially, this means that content creation from now on doesn't require a studio. No cameras, no lighting kits, and no microphones. You only need a computer and a few AI tools. So the traditional content creation timeline goes something like this. You develop an idea, make a video production plan, write the video script, shoot the video, edit, and upload. The new and more efficient way of doing it is by working with a few specialized AIs to develop, script, make voiceovers, and edit the video. Coming up with video ideas is the most important step because the final performance of the video depends on how good the idea is. Good content ideas come from a combination of many things, including experience, research, other people's content, and so on. After you've developed a good video idea, the next step is to write a YouTube video script or make a detailed production plan. This is where AI tools like ChatGPT, Google's Notebook LM, DeepSeek, and many others come into the picture. Now that you've reached the video production stage, this is where Dupdub comes in. Here we are on the website. Don't forget to use the links in the video description to visit this website. The best part is that you can get started for free without any credit card. As I said earlier, one thing that makes Dupdub stand out is that it has essential advanced features for content creation at any level. Some of them include idea to text, which can generate excellent video scripts or the written content from just a single idea or sentence. There's excellent text-to-speech creation, along with realistic speech and gesture avatars, which you can put together in an AI video editor with advanced features. I'm most interested in the AI avatars because they're the most exciting part. With them, I don't have to show my face or set up a studio, but I'll still be able to create professional-level talking AI avatars. Alright, so what you're looking at here is the main interface of the AI avatar workspace. On the left sidebar, you'll find navigation options like projects, AI voiceover, transcription, and more. The main section displays the AI avatars with tabs for different avatar types, photo, motion, gesture, and so on. Below the tabs are filter categories like Valentine's Day, Christmas, and others. You'll notice these are mostly styled couple or group images, with themes like romance, weddings, or friendship. You can go through all these sections and select the one that matches the theme and style of the video you want to make. The motion avatar is the newest and best for creating social media and YouTube content. I'll locate the YouTuber's avatar section. You can see all of them here. Preview any of them to see what it looks like, and it's as good as you can get. I also love the gesture avatars because they have realistic motions, and you can easily swap out the video background for whatever you want. Let's begin creating some actual content. I'll head back first to the motion avatar and select one of these avatars. This looks good, so I'll click on Apply. Immediately, I'll be redirected to the Talking Photo Editor page. This page is divided into 3 sections. The available avatars down here, the currently selected avatar above, and on the right, you can see the voiceover and audio section. There are 3 ways to provide audio voiceover for the AI avatar. The default method is to paste your video script and generate a voiceover from the AI voice profiles. Or you can upload an already recorded voiceover. Or, better still, record a voiceover directly with your microphone. I won't be using the last 2 options. I'm going to use the default method. I'll paste in my script and then listen to a preview of the narration by voice profile.
Creators are using tools like Meta's AI ad generator to write high-converting Facebook and Instagram ads in seconds, optimized by real-time data.
This pre-selected voice profile doesn't sound quite right, so I'm going to change to a different one. By expanding this, I can choose from a lot of voiceover profiles, preview them, and choose the one that matches the voice I prefer. I'll preview as many as possible, and also use filters to sort voices and locate my preferred voice faster.
Once upon a time in a small village, there lived a young...
This voice profile sounds about right for the AI avatar, and I'm going to select it. Here's a preview of the video script.
Creators are using tools like Meta's AI ad generator to write high-converting Facebook and Instagram ads in seconds, optimized by real-time data. ChatGPT and Google's Gemini can whip up compelling product descriptions, sales pages, and full email sequences that actually sell.
Everything looks okay, and it's time to generate the actual video avatar. I'll simply click on Generate Talking Avatar. And while that is being generated, I'm going to head back to the AI avatars, and for this second one, I'll select an avatar from the gesture avatars. Just like I did previously, I'm going to paste in the script, search for a voice that matches the AI avatar.
AI isn't replacing you, it's multiplying you. The money's already flowing for those who figured it out. So here's the question, will you just scroll past it, or will you start building your AI-powered income stream today?
And then click on Generate Talking Avatar. Now, let's preview the results.
Creators are using tools like Meta's AI ad generator to write high-converting Facebook and Instagram ads in seconds, optimized by real-time data. ChatGPT and Google's Gemini can whip up compelling product descriptions, sales pages, and full email sequences that actually sell.
People are building full content funnels in hours, not weeks, combining short-form videos, automated ad campaigns, and AI-built offers that convert. AI isn't replacing you, it's multiplying you. The money's already flowing for those who figured it out. So here's the question, will you just scroll past it, or will you start building your AI-powered income stream today?
And these are excellent. They're ready to use, and you can go ahead and download any of them. Now, your video content may need some finishing touches, like text, graphics, and a few audio-visual effects. Dupdub has an integrated AI video editor, which you can use to further edit and polish your video content. Just click on where it says Post Edit, and you'll be taken to the AI video editor. You don't have to be an expert to use the AI video editor. You only need basic knowledge, like how to add text and audio. As you can see, there are plenty of editing tools to work on the visuals and audio of the clips you're putting together. Also, if you can't find a specific clip or image, there's an inbuilt AI image generator. All you have to do is describe what you want, select or regenerate any of the images, and you're good to go. Don't forget to check out Dupdub using the links in the video description below, so you'll be able to go directly from something like this to something much more professional. I'll see you in the comments section, and thanks for watching.